Today we are going to learn how to add the table of a index. Okay, so automatically whenever you will write the chapters, so automatically table of index will be created. So what thing you have to keep in mind that we will see first. So if it is new chapter, then keep it in heading 1. If it is having subtopic of this chapter, then keep it into heading 2 or select heading 2. And once again there is a subtopic, then you have to keep it in heading number 3. Okay, so then after you have to go to the page where you want to add the table of index, then after select the references, and then after go to the table of the contents. From that you have to select the pattern. So we will do the practice. So this is the chapter number 1. So this is the new chapter. So in home, in word, in home I will select heading 1. Okay, and then after this is the text that whatever you want to write. Then after this is the topic of the this chapter number 1, that is the types of the motto. It can be anything for your subject, according to your subject that can be anything. So that is heading number 2. Okay, and in heading this topic there should be any theory. And once again chapter number 2, so this is new chapter, so select heading 1. Okay, into that figure is there, you can keep anything, table or equation, whatever is there is. Then after 2.1, the 2.1 it is in chapter number 2, and that is the topic, subtopic. So heading number 2. Then after 2.2, so once again it will be heading 2. Now here you can see that is 2.2.1. It is into the 2.2, that we can say it is the subtopic. Okay, so here you have to select the heading number 3. Automatically over here heading number 3 will be come. So that is the 2.2.1. So this is the subtopic of the application: residential application, industrial application. So once again 2.2.2, that is also subtopic. So here you have to select the heading number 3. Okay, so this we have given. Once again new chapter will be there. So chapter number 3. So for that you have to select the heading 1. Okay, then after into that chapter 3.1 working is there. So heading number 2 you have to select. Okay, and into this chapter new topic is there, that is the 3.2. So once again that will be heading number 2. Okay, if it is 3.2.1 or it is 3.1.1, then we can say it is subtopic. Okay, and at that time you have to select the heading number 3. Now go to the page where you want to add the table of an index. Okay, so this is the page where I want to add the table of an index. Okay, so into this word, now here I will select this references. Okay, and in this references, first table of content is given over here. So I will click on this table of content. So you can find so many patterns are given over here. So whatever pattern you would like, select it. Okay, now right now I'm going to select the first pattern. So I will click on this automatic table 1. So yes, I will click on the automatic table 1. So here directly table of the contents is available for you. Okay, so there is no need to write the page number. Automatically page number are coming over here. Automatically the sequence of the chapters are there. Here you can see new chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. Okay, then after subtopic will be there to 1.1, 2.1, 2.2, 3.1, 3.2. And in subtopic, if there is any subtopic, that is 2.2.1 and 2.2.2, so automatically it will be arranged. Okay, so now let's say if your guide is saying that the change this application and bring it on the next page, so you have to bring it on the next page. So you can see that the page number will be changed. Okay, so manually you have to change the page number in table of index, but over here no need to change manually. Okay, so here update table option is given. So click on update table, update entire table. So click on that and okay you have to press. So here you can find the number of pages are also it is changed. Okay, so no need to modify manually, automatically will be there. So this is how table of index is generated automatically. In this table of the content, if you want to go to chapter number 2 directly, then you can see if you keep cursor over here, so control plus click to follow the link. Okay, so if you press the control and if you click on the chapter number 2 directly, you will go to the series chapter number 2. Okay, so directly link is provided over here. Now let's say your guide is asking you to change the some sequence. So over here, let's say instead of advantages, if your guide is saying that you have to add the disadvantage also. So 3.3 it will be there, and you have to write down the disadvantages. Okay, so I have written the disadvantages. It is the, once again, it is the subtopic. So in home, I will click on the heading number 2. Okay. So if no, now I will go to the table of index. Now I will not add manually over here. Okay. I will click on over here. So I will get the update table. Update table on this update entire table. I will click on OK. So here you can see automatically 3.3 disadvantages is added into my table of index, and automatically the page number are modified. Okay, so this is very good option given in the Word to add the table of the index.